Hi everyone, my name is Rishad. Today is the 15th of June 2025 and I'll be going over my weekly review of the SPY's front testing strategy based on the days open and days closed. Now, since I had to take a massive break, you can see that the previous video was ended on the 18th of April and I'm going to restart it as of last week. So from the 9th of June, we can see that the close on the 6th was 599.14, which resulted in a buy signal on the 9th, leading to a small loss of 67.28 US dollars or 0.008%. On the 10th, we had another buy signal leading to a profit of 4,807.66 US dollars or 0.473%. On the 11th, we had a buy signal again, giving us a loss of 4,748.74 USD or a loss of 0.469%. On the 12th, we had a sell signal giving us another massive loss of $6,286.94 or 0.623%. And finally, on the 13th, we had a sell signal giving us a profit of $2,512.5 or 0.248%. Now, from this week alone, our cumulative return went from 1.719% to 1.341%. Our alpha decreased from negative 11.353 to negative 11.383%. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I will see you in the next video.